Welcome to part 1 of my CNC router build. Today I'm going to be making the table for the CNC router. Enjoy! So I cut 2 pieces of wood 26 inches long and 3 pieces of wood 53 inches long. Okay, so now I'm screwing these 2 pieces of wood together, and to ensure that they are square, I'm going to use this little trick I saw on YouTube. So we have a length of 26 inches here, and I made a mark right here of 40 inches. So if you use Pythagorean theorem, this will give us about 47.7 inches. And I measured across with my level. Alright, so you can see we have 3/4 right here, so it's just about at 47.7, like maybe like 0.1 or 0.2 off, which is pretty darn good. So I think I'm good to screw this in. Alright, so now I'm connecting the other 2 pieces. I measured out again, and they came out to about the same exact length on our level. So now I'm just going to screw these in, and then we'll connect the 2 together. Alright, so I went outside and I connected those 2 pieces of wood together. So now I'm going to put this in and that in, so we can give it some more stability. So, yeah. Alright, so I screwed in the pieces of wood, and now I have my MDF lying on it, and overall this MDF seems like it fits on our base, I guess you could say, really nicely. So this concludes part 1 of my CNC router build. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video.